Hi class, how's it going? My name is Daniel Jacobson and I'm giving my presentation on sports psychology. So my future career plan is to become a sports psychologist. It is a very new field of psychology. Recently, a lot of colleges and a lot of teams have been signing mental performance coaches and attempting to get that edge competitively because the game is more psychological now than physiological, simply because of all the training and everything the athletes have had. So every team is trying to get the edge with sports psychologists. Also, as you can see, football and sports have been a huge part of my life, and I hope to continue to make them a huge part of my life, and then I can use them to bless and help others. So everything that sports psychologist means, I'm going to be part of a university on a college team, perhaps start at the high school level. I'm unsure of that yet, but being able to be on a team as a coach and a mentor for the athletes. A lot of what they do is they help the athletes balance their stress with their social life, school life, family life, religion, and still trying to perform well playing a sport. So a lot of what I'll do is be helping train them. This does require at least a master's degree. There are a lot that get doctorate degrees. I'm more leaning towards getting a master's degree and then just getting experience as a coach. So my 4-year plan, I'm gonna be attending a university to get my master's degree in sports psychology, so that I can fulfill that dream. And a lot of the reasons listed in chapter 13 are either like I'm super interested in psychology, I want to become a psychologist, I want to learn more about myself. There are a lot of reasons that I am majoring in psychology right now, but the largest is to prepare for my career as a sports psychologist and mental trainer for future athletes. Thank you for watching.